Let's talk about mirror command. It also creates a new object based on the existing object in your drawings. Mirror icon located in the Modify panel. Click Mirror, select Object, and press Enter. It says, specify the first point of the mirror line. The mirror line will act as an axis that reflects everything that I selected. Click an axis point anywhere. The mirror axis shown as a dot yellow line, and all the selected object is reflected through that axis on the other side. Turn on the ortho by pressing F8, and you can be sure that you are reflecting them across the horizontal axis. Click again to specify the second point of the mirror line, and then you're asked if you're going to erase the source object. Yes or no. Select Yes. Now, everything got reflected on the other side. Let's try something precise. Let's go back. This time, we're going to make a simple landscape. To do that, we have to decide where the axis of the mirror line going to be. Select the mirror command again. Select everything, and then remove the single line segment from the selection set by holding down the Shift key and clicking on this object. Then press Enter to exit Select Object mode. Now, you are prompted to specify the first point of the mirror line, and that would be an endpoint of the segment. I'm going to hold down the Shift, then right-click, and choose Endpoint right here. I'll turn on Ortho by pressing F8. And then, I click the first and the second point of the horizontal axis. Erase the source object? No. And press Enter. Now, everything has been mirrored on the other side.